Good afternoon, ma'am.
Good afternoon, ma'am.
Good afternoon, ma'am.
Good afternoon, beta. How are you?
How are you, ma'am? We are fine, ma'am. What about
Fine,
you?
ma'am. What about you?
I'm fine, beta.
Good afternoon, ma'am.
All are fit and fine?
Yes, ma'am. What about
Ma'am, today we have to can do
Yes,
in
beta.
physics or history.
I'm also fine, beta.
ma'am? Today we have to do history, civics, and geography.
Beta, today we will do the explanation of chapter number 3, question and answer. I have given you writing work, but explanation of question answers is remaining.
Ma'am, you have not sent the
Yes,
question.
ma'am.
Explanation.
Yes,
Okay.
ma'am. We have
So, lecture. We will do the prayer first.
cutting so much.
Join your hand. Close your eyes. Turn on your video first. Beta, turn on your video. Join your hand. Close your eyes.
DUVX said, DW said, DUX said, WX, ABCD, YT, CKJ, ELA,
Turn on your video, beta. Am I audible or not?
Yes, ma'am. You are audible.
Okay, so everyone turn on your video. Join your hand. Close your eyes and start 3 times Gayatri Mantra. Om Bhuvaswaha.
ॐ भूर्भुवस्वः तत्सवितुर्वरेण्यं भर्गो देवस्य धीमहि धियो यो नः प्रचोदयात् ॐ भूर्भुवस्वः
Seviturvarenyam Bhargo
देवस्य धीमहि धियो यो नः प्रचोदयात्
Om
भूर्भुवस्वः तत्सवितुर्वरेण्यं भर्गो देवस्य धीमहि धियो यो नः प्रचोदयात्.
I should pause. Press on your face. Okay, everyone. Now do the exercise. Raise your hand and do like this 3 times. 1. Again down. Then again do this. 2. Again down. Do again. Last time. Okay. Now thought of the day. Sorry.
Ma'am, may I give?
Thought of the day. Here is Vishwas thought. Everything is easy if you are crazy. Nothing will be easy if you are lazy. Yes, if we want to do anything, if we wish to do everything heartily, then everything will become easy. If we are lazy, we don't want to do anything in our life, then easy thing will also become difficult. So we should always crazy to learn. Okay, we should not become the lazy. Okay, and here is mistake are proof that we are trying. When we do the mistake, it shows that we are trying to know or learn something. Okay, now we will start our lecture. So today we will do the explanation of question and answer. Okay, so open your textbook and your worksheet also. Okay, beta, and answers which I have given yesterday to you, I hope you all have written in your notebook. So open these stuff and I'm going to explain you the question and answer. Okay, I'm going to share the pages. See, your page number 34. Everyone, open your page number 34. Ready, beta? Page number 34. Ready, everyone? Page number 34. Yes, beta. I came Morbi in the evening. In morning. Today morning I reached Morbi. Okay, so let's start. Here are 34 students. Beta, Chahat Parihar is in your class now. She is not attending classes. Okay, let's start our work. So here are the activities. These are the question and answer which I have gave you answer for writing. I will explain you later, but firstly we will do these activities. Okay, so first activities is here in the box. Look at the maps. Look at the map on pages 29 and 30. They show that they show the states, union territories and districts of India. Find out the following information from these maps and various other resources. Okay, so you have to give the answer of these points which are given here. First is name of the neighbors of India. I hope you don't need to see the map for this question. So everyone give me the name of the neighboring country of India. Write in chat box. I'm going to see your answer. Neighboring country of India. Everyone give this answer. I know you don't know, you don't need to see the map for this. Pakistan, Afghanistan, Bangladesh, China, okay, Sri Lanka, Bhutan, Nepal. Okay, these are our neighboring countries. So you have to write this answer in your textbook, okay? Okay, all are giving correct answer. You have to write this answer in your textbook. You have to write this answer here. यहाँ पे इसके सामने आपको ये आंसर लिखना है, okay? Now name. Second point is names of your state or union territory and its neighbors. If you are living in a state, then you have to write your state name. If you are living in a union territory, then you have to write your territory name and its neighbors. इसका neighbors जो भी है, या तो वो union territory है या state, you have to write the name. So this is also easy for you. So give this answer. What is your state or union territory name and its neighbor's name? You have to write the neighboring state of your state or union territory. Give your answer. Okay, state is Gujarat and neighbor is neighbor state. Gujarat neighbor is Maharashtra, Rajasthan. Okay. Okay. Also Madhya Pradesh. Also Madhya Pradesh. Rajasthan, Madhya Pradesh and Maharashtra are the neighbors of Gujarat. Okay. Beta, Karnataka is not. Karnataka is a neighbor of Maharashtra. Okay. Neighbors are those which are sharing the borders to us, to the country or to the state. Let me show in the map. See. Don't be confused. See here. You can see here clearly. See. Maharashtra. Here is our Gujarat. And Rajasthan is sharing the border with Gujarat. Here Madhya Pradesh is sharing the borders with Gujarat. And here is Maharashtra which sharing the borders with Gujarat. So Gujarat state has three neighboring states: Rajasthan, Madhya Pradesh and Maharashtra. Okay. Not Karnataka. Karnataka is sharing border with the Maharashtra. Okay. Now next is names of your district and its neighbors. Now you have to give the name of your district. As you live in state, you know state further divided into district. So what is the name of your district and what is its neighbors district? आपके डिस्ट्रिक्ट का नेबर डिस्ट्रिक्ट कौन सा है? You have to give the name also. Ready everyone? I'm going to see your answer. Okay, Morbi is our district name and Rajkot is its neighbor. Beta, Halwat comes in Morbi. Morbi neighbors, Rajkot, Wakaner. नो बेटा, वडोदरा बहुत दूर हो गया. नेबर्स मीन्स जो इसके टच में है, टच में या बिल्कुल पास में. ओके, वी कैन से द राजकोट एंड वाकानेर. टंकारा कम्स इन मोरबी डिस्ट्रिक्ट बेटा. Okay, done. Morbi is our district name. Rajkot and Wakaner are its neighbor. Okay. Now next is routes from your district to the national capital. Now firstly give me the name of national capital. Then give me the route via you go. You can go national capital from your district. अपने डिस्ट्रिक्ट से मीन्स मोरबी से नेशनल कैपिटल तक आपको अगर पहुंचना है, देन विच रूट यू विल फॉलो. मीन्स मोरबी से कहां होकर आपको नेशनल कैपिटल पहुंचना है. सो फर्स्टली टेल मी दैट व्हाट डू यू अंडरस्टैंड अबाउट द नेशनल कैपिटल. Yes, national capital is New Delhi. Beta, we don't need to give the name of highway. We have to give the route. As you know, from Morbi, we have to go for Delhi, Wakaner via Ahmedabad, via Rajasthan, via Delhi. Okay. Morbi se, I don't have an idea that here is direct train for going the national capital. We have to take train. We have to go Wakaner to go for the Delhi if we are taking train, or we have option to go Ahmedabad. Then we can go Delhi from there, or Syamakhali routes. Okay. And for plane, we have to go Rajkot or Ahmedabad, then Delhi. You can take plane, but you cannot take plane from Morbi. So which route you have to go? You have to firstly go Rajkot or Ahmedabad. Then you can go Delhi. Okay? Done? Yes, Rajkot or Ahmedabad. Okay. Now next activity we will do here. Exercise. Look at the statements in the column on the left. Can you identify which label they belong to? Place tick marks against the label you consider most appropriate. Here are some tasks completed by the government, but you have to choose that which label of government can do these tasks. Okay, so you have to choose whether it is local government work, or whether it is state government's work, or whether it is central government's work. Okay, now the decision of the government of India to maintain, first task is the decision of the government of India to maintain peaceful relation with Russia. Now give me the answer. Whose work is this? Local government or state government or central? I told you central means national government or union government. Okay. So now give me answer. Whose level of government's work is it? Central government. Very good. Central government. Beta. Central government. It is the work of central government. You can write also the union government or national government. Okay. National government, central government and union government are same. Now second is, बेटा जब मैं आपसे जो क्वेश्चन पूछूं then you have to give the answer, because it's create misunderstanding or problem for others. Okay, so second question is the decision of the government of West Bengal on whether to have board exam in class 8 for all government schools. Now give answer. Whose work is this? Local government, state government or central government? Yes, it is a work of state government, because here is mentioned that West Bengal, a particular state, here is talking about a particular state. It means it's a state government work. Okay, all right. Everyone is giving correct answer. State government. You have to understand. Okay, beta. Now, third is introduction of 2 new trains between Dibrugarh and Kanyakumari. Introduction of two new trains between Dibrugarh and Kanyakumari. Give the answer. Yes, central government. Can you give me answer that why you gave the central government? Here is given Dibrugarh and Kanyakumari. So maybe it can be state labor's work. Why you give the central government? Anyone can give me the answer? Your answer is correct. But I want to the reason that why you give the central government. Different states. Yes, different state, and one of the major reason is the railways comes under the control of central government. Okay? Railways comes under the control of central government. So, related to rail or any routes, decision is related to central government. Okay? The major reason is this. State government only suggestion दे सकती है और उसे मानना या ना मानना, उस पर वर्क करना या ना करना, it is absolutely based on central government. Okay? Now next is the decision to locate a common well in a particular area of a village. The decision to locate a common well in a particular area of a village, it's come in which work of the level of government? Give the answer. Yes, local government, because it's talking about the village. Okay, now next, last is, I think it is last. No, two questions are remaining, three. Now, decision to construct a big children's park in Patna. Decision to construct a big children's park in Patna comes in which level of government? Beta, logically your answer is correct, local government. But see, Patna is the capital city of Bihar state. And as you know that all the main governments lives in the capital cities and work there. So it might be come on in the work of state government. Okay. Next is the decision of government of Haryana to provide free electricity for all farmers. The decision of the government of Haryana to provide free electricity for all farmers. Yes, it is related to state government. Because it's talking about the Haryana, it means whole state. Okay, state government. Okay, now the last question of this activity is introduction of a new 1000 rupee note. Introduction of a new 1000 rupee note. Introduction of a new 1000 rupee note. Yes, it is come in the work of central government, correct. Central government. Okay, done. Now we will do the explanation of question and answer. Okay. See, question and answer. You have a question. First question is, what do you understand by the word government? List 5 ways in which you think the government affects your daily life. What do you understand by the word government? List 5 ways in which you think the government affect your daily life. So as you all aware about that, what is government? It is a group of people or organization which take decision and makes laws for the citizens of a country. Okay, so how you have to write? By the word government, we understand that the organization which takes decisions and makes laws for the citizen of a country is the government. Okay, the 5 ways in which the government affects our daily life are buildings, roads and school. Buildings means making road and school for us. Reduction and fixing of prices. For okay, रिडक्शन मीन्स कम करना. किसी भी एसेंशियल या जरूरी चीज जिसके रेट बढ़ गए हो, गवर्नमेंट कैन रिडक्ट द रेट और प्राइस, एंड गवर्नमेंट कैन फिक्स द प्राइस ऑफ एनीथिंग कि इससे ज्यादा नहीं लिए जाएंगे. ओके, so this is called reduction and fixing of prices of essential commodities. Supply of electricity. Government also provide us electricity, which is very important for us. And fourth is preparation and implementation of several programs to help the poor. Preparation and implementation of several programs to help the poor. Government also work or make or take the decision for giving a better life to the poor people. Okay, now fifth point I did not wrote here because you have to write with your own. So please give me your fifth point. Any one ways in which government affect your daily life. 4 points are here. You can give any one as a fifth point. Write in chat box. I'm going to see. Everyone, you have to compulsory write this 5 point with your fifth point with your own in your notebook. Give me your answer. Which can be your fifth point? कोई एक और काम गवर्नमेंट की जो आपकी डेली लाइफ को अफेक्ट करती हो. Make rules for our safety. Okay, बेटा आई हैव सेंट, मैं ये PDF आपको कल भेज चुकी हूँ बेटा. Improve in education, government makes traffic rules, okay. Governments also provide railways and airways facilities. Help poor is done beta. This point is done. You have to complete your 5th point. ये ऐसे पॉइंट लिखो जो 1 to 4 में नहीं है. All facilities we cannot write. Any one facilities. Specify facilities. Like providing train facilities, like providing garden or playing, yes, electricity. ये तो आ गया बेटा. And also hospitals, medical facilities. These are some work. So you have to write the 5th point with your own. Okay. Make schools. Okay. Good. Now question number 2. Why do you think the government need to make rules for everyone in the form of laws? गवर्नमेंट हर किसी के लिए जो रूल बनाती है लॉज के रूप में, वो क्यों बनाती है? Why everyone needs laws? So what should be our answer? The government need to make rules for everyone in the form of laws because of the following reason. There are many reasons. Because of this, government makes rules for everyone in the form of laws. Any decision or rules become laws when a power or force of the government works behind it. Okay. So here are the reasons that why government makes laws for everyone. The government wants to give advantages to the people of the welfare measures to all without discriminations. Governments want to give equal chance to get development, okay, without any discrimination. Discrimination means without any, we can say that in Hindi it is called that bhed bhav, okay, without any discriminations like gender wise means men's or women's, doing discrimination between man and woman, और रेशियल, कास्ट वाइज एक्सेट्रा. इन सब चीजों को छोड़कर, ऐसी डिस्क्रिमिनेशन को छोड़कर हर किसी को इक्वल अपॉर्चुनिटीज मिले. सो गवर्नमेंट मेक लॉज बिकॉज ऑफ दिस रीजन ऑल्सो. एंड सेकेंड पॉइंट इज टू प्रोवाइड इक्वालिटी एंड जस्टिस टू ऑल. Government makes laws for everyone because government want to give equality and justice to all. हर किसी को एक समान opportunities और justice. यानी कि अगर कोई 2 persons है, कोई उनमें से कोई एक someone is rich and someone is poor, if both are doing same mistake, so both are punished in the same way. This is called equality and justice to all. Okay. And next is to maintain peace. Government want to maintain peace in the country. That's why they need to make laws for everyone. And next is to administer the country efficiently. If government will not make rules and regulation in the form of laws, nobody will follow the rules and regulation in the country, and the country will not run smoothly. So if government want to move or do all the administrative work efficiently in the country, they need to make rules and regulation in the form of laws, which is followed by the people. Okay. Now third is name 2 essential features of a democratic government. Name 2 essential features of a democratic government. two essential features of a democratic government are democracy is a rule by the people. As you know that what is democratic government? Democratic government is a government in which people have right to choose their leaders through the election process. Okay, so you have to write any two features of democratic republic, democratic government. So here are the two topics or two features. Democracy is a rule by the people. It is people who rule themselves by participating in the making of these rules. Second point is, in a democracy, people have the power to elect their leaders. These leaders or representatives meet and make decisions for the entire population. Okay. Now question number 4. Here is question number 4. What was the suffrage movement? What did it accomplish? Okay, this question I'm not going to explain here because we have completed this in worksheet. So you have to write this answer from worksheet in your notebook. Okay, suffrage movement was a movement which gave a right to vote for women. Okay, it was fighting for vote for women, and it accomplished means what was the result of this? It's given the right to vote for a woman and participating in the work of government and administrations. Okay. Now next is question number 5. Gandhiji strongly believed that every adult in India should be given the right to vote. Read the question properly. Question number 5. Gandhiji strongly believed that every adult in India should be given the right to vote. However, a few people don't share his views. They feel that illiterate people who are mainly poor should not be given the right to vote. What do you think? What do you think? Do you think this would be a form of discrimination? Do you think this would be a form of discrimination? Give 5 points to support your view and share these with the class. Okay, Gandhiji strongly believed that every adult in India should be given the right vote, no matter who are poor, who are rich, who are man or woman, who are literate or illiterate. Everyone should have equal rights to give the vote. Okay. So this question is asking that if we are not giving the same or equal right to give vote for everyone, do you think it is a discrimination? Do you think it is a discrimination? If it is a discrimination, give the reason. So, C answer. We think that all the people, whether literate or illiterate, illiterate means uneducated or literate means those are educated. Poor or rich should have the right to vote, should have right to vote. Yes, we think that if the right to vote is denied to illiterate and poor people, it would be a form of discrimination. Yes, if we are not allowing illiterate and poor people to vote anyone, it means we are doing discrimination. We are doing bhedbhav. 5 points to support our views are, if this is a discrimination, these points are supporting us. Wealth is not a criterion of good judgment. Okay. पैसा होना, किसी के पास पैसा या किसी के पैसे को देखकर judgment करना, it is not a good thing. Now second is illiterate or poor might have a strong character. जो illiterate और poor people है, हो सकता है उनके पास पैसा नहीं है, वो पढ़े लिखे नहीं है, but उनका behavior पढ़े लिखे और wealthy person से बहुत अच्छा होता है. They are so gentle. गवर्नमेंट पॉलिसीज अफेक्ट ऑल, और गवर्नमेंट जो भी पॉलिसीज बनाती है वो सिर्फ इलिटरेट और जो रिच पीपल है उन्हें ही अफेक्ट नहीं करता. ईच एंड एवरी पीपल ऑफ कंट्री, नो मैटर रिच और पुअर, नो मैटर literate or illiterate or man or woman, everyone affected by the policies of government. Okay, so we need to give equal right to vote to everyone. Now democracy talks of equality and justice for all. As you know that in a democratic government, this is a basic thing, that democracy provides equality and justice for all. So it should be show there. Now fifth one is one needs understanding to vote. हर किसी को वोट का मतलब समझने की जरूरत है कि आखिर राइट टू वोट क्या है, हाउ वी हैव टू यूज इट. ओके, सो व्हेन यू विल बिकम 18 years old, then you will get the right of vote. Then you have to vote compulsory. If you are not giving your vote, if you will not using your right of vote, it means you are doing bad, or you are not a responsible citizen of your country. So I hope all my students, when become 18 years old, they will use their vote of right properly, wisely, and will able to serve your country, and will able to complete all the responsibilities as a citizen. Okay, understand beta? Now have you any doubt in this chapter? We have completed this chapter. Have you any doubt? In our next lecture, we will start chapter number 4 of civics. Have you any doubt? Okay, one thing more beta, now you don't have a right of vote because you are not 18 years old, but your parents, your relatives, they have a right to vote. If they are not doing and not giving the vote, you have to tell them and teach them that what is the meaning of right of vote, what is its importance. So you will explain them, and you will teach them that why they need to give the vote. I hope you will do this. Beta, school don't know, but 9th to 12th has been open, so might be your classes will soonly open. We will hope that you will come soon in school. Okay. Beta, this is not decided right now. जब ये सारी चीजें decide होंगी, then we will inform you. Okay. Now HW is okay. Very nice, sis. Okay, in HW you have to complete your notebook because written work I have given yesterday. So if you did not complete it, or if you have any remaining work, you have to complete it. Okay, everyone. Now I'm going to take your attendance. Nobody will leave. Okay, beta. Just a minute. Nobody will leave, beta. Okay. Tomorrow we will start chapter number 4, civics, the same book. Okay, everyone. Okay, beta. Now you can leave. Okay, everyone. Take care. Goodbye.